If you aren't using a content calendar to plan out your social media posts, it's actually taking more of your time than if you took the time to create the calendar in the first place. Today I'll show you how to do it, and I'm going to share a free calendar with you that you can copy and use for yourself. All right, let's get into it. Hey busy people, welcome to 5 Minute Social Media, where busy business owners get together to rock their social media and not waste a bunch of time that we don't have. My name is Jerry Potter. I'm a social media geek and a productivity nerd, and this channel is the culmination of those two things. First time watching one of our videos? Welcome. And if you've watched before but haven't subscribed, I would love it if you took a second to hit the subscribe button today. You're not only supporting myself, but also my two tiny superheroes at home. So here at 5 Minute Social Media, we're all about doing social media, but not wasting time on things that aren't important. A content calendar is important. It seems counterintuitive, like, well, then I have to take the time to make the calendar. But in the long run, at the end of the week or the month, you will save so much more time by having the content calendar. Here's how just posting at random wastes your time. We've all done this, right? I know I have. You realize you haven't posted anything in a few days, and so you just find a link or take a picture really quick and throw it up. And then we're shocked. I mean, shocked that it didn't get a very good reaction or didn't lead to any business or didn't lead to anything. So with a content calendar, not only will you be more strategic with what you're posting, but you can sit down and pre-schedule your post for a whole week or a whole month. And then you don't have to worry about it. You can just spend time engaging with people that are reacting to the posts. So here are the two things you need to start creating your content calendar. One, what social networks are you going to post on? Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. If you post a blog or send out an email blast to clients, you can also build that into your content calendar. And second question, how many times a day or week are you going to post on each of those social networks? Once you have those, you can start building your calendar. So no need to build a calendar from scratch if you don't want to. You can actually take one that I've created. I've got the link down in the comments. It's a Google Sheets file, part of Google Drive and Google Docs. You can just copy it and use it for yourself. You will need a free Google account though, which most of us already have from Gmail or YouTube or whatever it might be. So enjoy the calendar. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Give this video a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you'll be notified anytime a new video comes out here on 5 Minute Social Media, where we teach you how to do the best possible social media, but do it efficiently and save yourself time. Thank you for watching.